In this video, I'm going to show you what a quick coupler is. I'm going to show you the key that you need to turn it on. I'm going to show you how to turn it on, and really kind of a good setup. Let me show you something. I'm going to show you this quick coupler in this valve box here. So I'm going to take the lid off and show you what this looks like. So if you open up the valve box and you see this and you're wondering, what in the world is this? This right here, I'm going to pull it up. This is what's called a quick coupler. Now this one's got a purple cap. The purple usually means it's reclaimed water or not for drinking use. This system comes off a well. You actually could drink this water, but they have a purple one on there. You see that cap? And what's cool about this one though, it does have a lock. You can lock this down, particularly if it's in a public area. But this is what the inside looks like. Now what this is there's a valve in here that you're going to use a key to open it up with, and you can hook your hose up to it, and that you can run it like this system comes off a well. Now this key is already sitting in here, which is it's kind of getting rusted. Might not be a good idea to just leave it in the box, but this is what it looks like. Now this has two parts. I'm going to set it here. This bottom part right here is the key. It's called a quick coupler key. Now you can tell it's got these little knobs here on the side. That's what's going to slide into some notches in the quick coupler, and you twist it and it opens that valve up. And then this top part is a swivel part, and then here's your hose thread you can hook your hose up to. Now this setup is in a standard box. It's got a shut-off valve, and then this quick coupler is on a swing joint. That way if it moves, it can move any kind of way, and you're not just ripping your hose and breaking some pipes. So when you want to turn the water on, take your key, slide it in there. You can see those notches. Slide that in there, and this one, it turns to the left. So I'm going to turn this. I've got the ball valve also. It doesn't spray us too bad. To see it coming out of there, it opens that valve up. And then you just turn it back the other way, turns it off. So if you're a homeowner and you see this in your yard, now you know what it is, you know how to turn it on. Or if you're a maintenance guy and you're maintaining someone's yard, you see this, now you know what it is, and this is what you want to use. This particular yard is on a well, but the house is on city water. So when you're doing any kind of maintenance work, you're going to want to use this well water, because that's what it's for, and because it's a lot cheaper to use that on your yard than using city water. So if you see this, this is what you want to use. Don't use the hose bibs off the house. Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Consider subscribing, that way you don't miss any tips.